Yeah, it has been 2 months since I have started.
Three months.
Since I have joined the classes.
2 months.
I have been taking 1.5 months from now, taking classes from now.
And me 2 months.
Okay.
Yeah, so Krishna, I have to tell one thing, like I have to add something to your points. Not only if you want to speak across the world, even if you want to speak across the India, then also you need English. You see, like in South Indian states, so they don't accept Hindi as their language. So they don't speak in Hindi. So if you want to interact with South Indian guys, so you can't speak in their native language, and they also don't like to speak in Hindi. So the only option we have is to talk in English. So the English is very important because it is the common language across the India and across the world. So both things are there.
Yes,
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 I
you are right.
fully agreed with us.
It's a global language.
Yeah, global and national language also. India actually, we Indians haven't adopted a single language as Hindi. We haven't adopted Hindi as our single language. We actually South Indians always object to the Hindi language because they say that Hindi is their not native language. Their language is Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam. So they don't accept Hindi as their national language. So that's why during the time of independence, also the debate was there that what language should we adopt. So at that time, also South Indians objected to that, and not objected, they also fought for that. So they revolted against the Hindi language. Even nowadays, you may hear that the cases that South Indians, especially in Tamil Nadu, so they try to beat the Hindi people.
Fluency English is a plus point of our increase our salary. Very important point.
Yes, you are right.
Exactly.
You are right, Priyanka. You are right. Actually, now we must prepare ourselves when someone speaks in English, and but never this that time we have a butterfly in our stomach. It means that
No,
time we never be uh,
fluency in
we
English
never be
only.
thinking we never be think a lot how to speak. So that's why we must be ready, or we must prepare some words always when someone speak in English, so instantly or promptly we will give a reply. Never be a think a lot. So such type also only
But
when
I
you will.
but I noticed one thing. If we are speaking in English, our attitude is something different that time.
Yes, definitely. Actually, na, this is not our mother tongue. This language come from Britishers. So that's why
But for
its attitude is also different.
knowing.
But it has been in India over than 200-300 years, so it has become now kind of native language. And
But na, this,
talking about attitude, so actually, if you start talking in English, then you don't have any strange attitude. It's very common. The people who are very prone to speaking English, so they don't have different attitude when they are talking in English. So it's very common. It's very normal, pretty normal. If you so it's just the matter of when you start. So when you start, the attitude also goes off.
yes.
Yeah. So
So
Yes, it is also, yes. It is also
previously
depend
I
upon the person to person, the
yes
person's perspective of telling or asking something. The attitude is depend upon the person to person behavior, or in what
yeah,
intention
exactly,
he,
exactly,
or in
exactly.
what intention he was speaking English is depend upon the person also.
Yeah, exactly. So I would also like to invite Gyanendra Pal and that Avani. So they haven't
yes,
participated in the discussion. So you can also put your points.
because they are the coming uh, fluent speakers as per my
Yeah,
perspective.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
upcoming.
exactly. So you can put your points. We all would like to invite you, Laksh and
Lakshya,
Avni.
Lakshya.
Just ask why you are learning English. That's it. They will answer.
Okay. Okay,
Yes,
so
Lakshay.
Lakshya, why are you learning
Lakshay.
English? Tell.
Lakshay English is already, I have noticed one thing,
Yeah.
Lakshay English is too good.
Yeah, he speak like, yeah, he just start like press his button and he start speaking. But it's very like, at your
Sometimes
age it
he
is
used very,
it's very appreciable. At your age you are doing so well.
sometimes he used very good vocabulary also.
Yeah. And Avni, we haven't met Avni yet. So you may also talk. Why are you being silent? Why are you being silent? Laksh, do you have to say something? Why do you want to learn English? Tell.
Good evening. I want to learn English because I grow, then I grow, then I speak English. Is very important. Then I went to the interview anywhere. Then I speak in English. So I learn English. Thank you.
So what interviews are you going to give?
What?
What interviews are you going to give?
IS interview.
Oh, so that will take so much of it will take a lot of time. You are very young. Yeah, it's very good. You have such type of passion from that age, this age. It's very appreciable. But I think you should enjoy. You should enjoy. Yeah, you should use your English talking to girls. I would say rather 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 to prepare for interview.
And definitely, Lakshay, one day you will be become an IAS officer, because you always think about how to crack the UPS exam or how to become an IAS officer. So then definitely, I think you will reach your milestone definitely. And my best wishes, or I pray to God also that you will achieve your